Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular power supplies, the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the CORSAIR RM1000x. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're building a budget-friendly PC or a high-end gaming rig, we've got you covered. The Thermaltake Smart 700W offers a decent wattage suitable for basic systems, while the CORSAIR RM1000x provides a robust 1000W, making it ideal for high-performance builds. If you're looking for a power supply that can handle demanding components, the RM1000x is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to cable management, the CORSAIR RM1000x shines with its fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need. In contrast, the Thermaltake Smart 700W features a non-modular design, which can make cable management a bit more challenging. This difference can significantly affect the overall aesthetics and airflow within your PC case. Efficiency is another critical factor to consider. The CORSAIR RM1000x boasts an 80+ Gold certification, ensuring high energy efficiency and lower electricity bills. On the other hand, the Thermaltake Smart 700W has an 80+ White certification, which is less efficient. This means that if energy savings are a priority for you, the RM1000x is the better choice. In conclusion, both power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is an excellent budget option for basic systems, while the CORSAIR RM1000x is a premium choice for high-end builds. Consider your system's power requirements and budget carefully before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.